if you are shooting Fujifilm and F-Log and you're also editing your footage in Premiere Pro, you're probably getting scammed. You're not getting 100% of the footage you actually captured because of a weird little problem. Now, there's plenty of information about this on Reddit and some user forums online, but there's not a whole lot about this on YouTube, so I figured while I still have my temporary grading set up here in the studio, I might as well make a short little video about this and show you how to remedy the problem. These are just F-Log shot on my Fujifilm X-T4, and I've already applied the wide dynamic range LUT to all of these. Now, the problem is that when you're shooting F-Log, you're shooting in 10-bit 420, probably if you're using X-T3 or X-T4, you're not getting that full color gamut when you import your footage into Premiere. And I'm gonna do this one by one here just to show you the dramatic difference it makes. If we go to our clips here in this panel and we right click, then we head up to modify. This computer is super slow, so that's why I'm only doing 3. Then we head over to color, and here we want to select override media color space. Now, if we go back, or we don't even have to go back, we can see that Premiere interprets the footage as 601, like an old broadcast gamut, but that's not correct. So we're going to override that, and we're going to go down and select Rec.2020. So, I'm actually going to move this out of the way here and look at the screen here now, the color of the sand, the ocean, the sky and everything when I press OK, and we kind of convert this to the way it's supposed to look. But here we go, 1, 2, 3, boom. I hope you're able to see this here on YouTube. All of a sudden we got much nicer color here on the sand. There's also plenty of color in the ocean here, the waves, same thing with the sky. We can even go back like so. There we're back at Rec.601, jump forward, now we're at Rec.2020, which is the proper way Premiere should be interpreting this footage. We got another one here, same LUT and everything, so I'm just gonna head down to this one and we'll do the same thing here. And by the way, you can select multiple clips and do this in batch, so you don't have to go one by one, but just for the dramatic effect here, we're gonna do the same process over. So modify, color, and we'll move this back into our screen, go to override media color space, and then down to Rec.2020, not Rec.2020 scene. That's a different gamma. But let's select that, same as before. We'll just hit OK and see if there's any difference. Yeah, there's definitely some difference, not as dramatic as the first one, but I think this one is going to be the deal maker for you guys. So let's see if we can find the first frame here. And once again, sorry about this really laggy computer. I want to skip a few frames forward. By the way, this footage is kind of soft. It's upscaled from 2K and it's also manual focused while walking. Anyway, here we are. So we got some nice greenery. We got some colors here. We got, I wouldn't say plenty of skin tones, but we got a decent amount of skin here, so we can see what happens to the skin tone as well when we do this conversion. So same as before, right click, modify, override, Rec.2020, yes please. My prediction here, we're gonna see plenty of change here in the clothing, especially this teal colored dress, but there's also gonna be a jump here in the skin tones and the vibrancy here of all the greenery, maybe a tiny little push here in the sky as well. But let's click OK. And yeah, to me, that's just night and day. And this here is how your F-Log footage is supposed to look when you bring it into Premiere Pro. And you can see here over on my lumetri, I've not done any adjustments here or anything. This is just, you know, straight out of camera. There's our Rec.601, that old broadcast gamut. And if we skip forward, there's our Rec.2020. And if we zoom in here just a tiny bit, sorry, like so, we can see the same thing here when it comes to skin tones and the color, the vibrancy here, and the greenery. It's night and day, at least in my opinion. So jump back one more time, just look at the skin here. Same thing with the dress, with all the greenery, the tone of the sky, and we'll do this one more time like so. So hopefully this will bring you much joy. If it did, let me know so in the comment section. But that's gonna be it. Hope you enjoy basically your new camera from now on, and I hope to see you here again pretty soon. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, sirs.
Lucy, you killing me.